If you think about most conversations that happen within organizations, very, very surface level. Like, what's the most surface level question in the world that we ask? How's it going? Person says, fine. And that's where it stops. And that's not even surface level. That's just, we checked a box right there of engagement, but we didn't actually achieve anything. And we're certainly not better for it, right? So leader shifts their mindset. And instead of saying, how's it going? They say something like, Jose, real quick, tell me, what's the best thing that's happening in your life right now? To one of their teammates, to one of their employees. Suddenly, like, you got a different conversation that's about to start. And then if you ask another question on top of that, simply to your point, why? Why is that so wonderful to you? Tell me what that means. How's that manifest? All of a sudden it gets better and better and better. And then maybe you'll earn enough trust because people see you differently that you can ask the question, so tell me real quick, and please be honest, what's your biggest frustration at work right now? How often do we ask that as leaders? Well, we might do it in a one-to-one, some type of checkup, but as part of our standard conversations, do we just integrate that into the mix? We stay at surface levels, we have surface level conversations, and therefore we have surface level relationships.